The question I like to ask myself is, how do I really allocate budget between these platforms when I'm seeing very different platform reported ROAS? So this is what we see like in Meta Ads Manager, in TikTok Ads Manager, in Google Ads Manager. We're seeing very different platform reported ROAS. And same as in Northbeam, we're seeing very different results. So it's like there's a lot of difficulty making a decision here due to these customers are in different parts of the funnel. The platforms they have different sources of data and they're calculating the ROAS really differently. And then now I'm going to talk about what the benefits of using a post-purchase survey are. I want the customer to tell me what they remember as being the reason why they purchased from our brand. And we use Fairing as our post-purchase survey provider, and they allow us to download all of our data on an order-by-order basis. So we can see like the order revenue, and we can actually see the exact products that were ordered, UTM parameters, so what I like to do is download all that data into an Excel spreadsheet. But what I would do, and what I have done based off of this data, is I would shift some budget. I would say there's no right answer right away of like, oh, this is exactly what your budget should be here. I'll make an incremental change based off of the data here. And then I'll get a read in a week or two to see how my implied ROAS has changed. And then I will reevaluate and make another decision based off of that. A metric that gives a read on incrementality allows me to, we'll see a multiplier, but like be in between a last click and a platform reported metric. I would measure this like a couple times. And then once I'm very comfortable with my multipliers, go through the calculations of my implied ROAS using my survey, I can actually take the platform reported ROAS, and then multiply them by these multipliers we have here. And then we can actually get a level playing field of a ROAS number to start comparing these different channels, which is what I've done in the past with geo holdout tests. This is just another piece of data triangulation. This is not like a source of truth. I like to use it as something to validate what I'm spending on channels versus actually influence huge changes. It allows us to make more informed decisions.